In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a newsletter in GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Sending a newsletter is a great way to keep your audience engaged, share valuable information, or promote your products and services. GetResponse is an excellent tool for email marketing, and it makes the process smooth and user-friendly. First things first, you'll need to log in to your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, it's pretty easy to create one. Just head over to their website, sign up, and follow the prompts. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, which is your command center for all your email marketing activities. The first step to creating your newsletter is to navigate to the email marketing section. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you should see a menu. Click on this menu and locate the Email tab. This is where all your email campaigns are managed. Now that you're in the email section, you're going to want to find the button that says Create or Create Newsletter. This will take you to the newsletter creation interface. You'll see various options for designing your email, and GetResponse offers both drag-and-drop functionality and HTML source code options. If you're comfortable with the drag-and-drop editor, I'd recommend starting there, as it's user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're in the editor, you can choose a template based on your needs. GetResponse provides a variety of pre-designed templates. You can pick one that matches the theme of your newsletter. After you select a template, you can customize it to suit your brand. Think about your colors, fonts, and any images you'd like to include. This is a crucial part of the process, as personalization helps engage your audience. Now that you have your template ready, it's time to fill it with content. Start by adding a catchy subject line. This is what your audience will see first in their inbox, so make it interesting and relevant. After that, move into the body of the newsletter. Here, you can add text blocks, images, buttons, and even social media links. Be sure to provide valuable content that your subscribers will appreciate. It's also a good idea to include a call to action. This could be directing your audience to a blog post, a product page, or any other relevant link. Make sure that it's clear what you want your readers to do after they finish reading your newsletter. After you've created your content, take a moment to preview the newsletter. GetResponse allows you to see what your email will look like on both desktop and mobile devices. This is so important because a lot of people check their emails on their phones these days. Make sure everything looks great and functions properly. Before sending, you should conduct a test. GetResponse has a feature that lets you send a test email to yourself. This allows you to check if all the links are working, images are loading properly, and the overall layout looks appealing. Now let's talk about the sending process. When you are satisfied with your newsletter, return to the editor and look for the Next Step button. This will lead you to the settings phase. Here, you can select your recipients, whether that's your whole email list or a specific segment you've created. Once you've chosen your audience, you can configure additional settings. For example, you can set up to send automatically at a specific time, or schedule it for a later date. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Send button and confirm your action, and just like that, your newsletter is on its way to your audience's inboxes. After sending, you can track the performance of your newsletter using GetResponse's analytics features. This information is valuable for understanding what worked well and what needs improvement for your next newsletter. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a newsletter using GetResponse. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!